Assalamu alaikum dear trainees, hope so you will be fine and just enjoy your all the routines. So today I'm here to just deliver the topic on introductions, mean who am I. The exact topic name is who am I. So we need this topic when we have something like such as an interview, such as in some other jobs interviews especially. So we need this one. So this is the like a very important thing in our talk. So first of all, we start the topic with name of introduction. So first of all, you should just quote the personal informations by using the present tense. You can just quote the present all your present informations regarding your name, your family background, and your interest. So your name along with your father name. So family backgrounds mean your parents, your siblings, and the siblings background is also just included in this one. Mean how many members are you in family, and how are you, how many siblings do you have? And interest should be like good. Interest is something when we have in our mind to do something in future. We can say this one is an interest. So next is the qualification, mean education experiences. We can use the past and present tense. Past to use for the past degrees and present for which we are just doing right now. And if we are studying, so we should just present these all. Matriculations, for example, there are 2 to 3 methods. I got the matriculation degree from the schools and the years. For example, I have passed the matriculations. These are the 2 methods. You can just use these. Same as in intermediate and BS and MPhil and PhD studies. So the next is aims and objectives. I mean your future plans. So we can use presents I want to become, and future is also I would like to become. And there should be the 2 terms. The first is short goals, and second time is long goals, long terms. For example, in short terms, just for the periods, specific periods, and long terms like lifetime. Then the hobbies. In hobbies means something which we just do in our leisure time, and just that thing makes us player. So we can say this one is a hobby. So hobby should be very good, and it doesn't mean that the hobby is we are doing something and just gaining the entertainment. So we can call the hobbies. Not these are not the hobbies. The hobbies are like exactly the things we do in our leisure times, and just it depends on our like interest and like likes and dislikes. Like a hobby is playing cricket, like a hobby watching movie, we can say. And then likes and dislikes, we can just say these in 5 sentences. Mean likes and dislikes. I would like to do these. For example, I like to just get up late early in the mornings. These are the instances. You can use these instances and just create your own introduction by using these all headings. And there is a sample. By using this sample, this will be beneficial for you if you want to write your own introductions and just want to just prepare this one for the job and for others just activities you can. And by using this one, you create your own introductions, and I'm here to help you. I will just put my own email just link in the description. You can share your own introduction or emails. So after the correction, I will share with you, inshallah. Thank you.